All right, so we ran into a little snag, at least in my mind. See information. Hopefully, I can share this on here about the timing chain cover install. And if you follow it, it basically tells you to clean and degrease the sealing surfaces using Loctite 7515 or acetone. They say will work. Clean and degrease the outer parts of the block. And then it mentions applying sealer to the timing cover. And then it says fit the new metal seals 2, 3, and 4, which is that one, and that one, on the housing cover. Fill the openings in the metal seals with sealant 1 and 2. Makes no sense. Apply sealant specified markings on the engine. Apply sealant in such a way that no excess sealant can expand into the engine. So it basically says apply sealant on the lower timing cover. Here, 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 and here. Sorry, here, 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 and here. But it appears that they want you to do that before the seals are on. I, however, have found that that is probably not the case. It makes no sense, first of all. Second of all, when I looked at the engine block where that sealant goes, there's residual sealant on the block that would not be there if it were behind the gasket. Additionally, when you look at the flange here, you'll notice this little diamond shape that had no sealant clearly in between it and the gasket, and that corresponds with that. So the sealant must go here. Tell me what you think in the comments. Okay, here we are for the gasket install. Looks like we have 4 gaskets. They're metal, and they all have 2 dowel rods on either end. And additionally, they do not really snap down on those dowel rods very easily, so we're going to be trying to get them on another way. Simply have here 1/4 inch deep well socket, and I'm going to attempt to punch the gasket down on there by lightly tapping, and that works. So I would say that's probably a win. Get those on that way. Appears that they do warp a little bit, so you want to get them lined up so that they stick. Same thing with the inner gasket right here. And then over here. Then we have top gasket. A little bit out of view. Move you over a little bit. There. in there. You get the idea, the gaskets have to be snapped down onto the dowel pins prior to, so no other way to do this. And to snap them on. Next, we're going to be applying sealant to the areas here and down here, over here, as well as up here. And then once the cover's on, we'll be putting some sealant on the top where the cylinder head covers meet. So we'll get you on camera and do that here next. Thank you. All right, here goes. We're going to be applying sealant from here to here. I've marked it with a Sharpie. I don't think that'll do any damage to the gasket. One. Two. 3 and 4. Now we'll also go in and put some along the oil pan. That might be a little more difficult for me to film. I can try though.